Have you ever seen a frozen waterfall with turquoise blue water? Travel with me to this winter wonderland which cannot be explained but only experienced.
Good morning! It's our last day here in Srinagar and I want to show you the stay we've got. Absolute budget stay, $1250. There's heater in the room and we also have geyser. Very nice stay, TV. So this is something that you can definitely book. This is right at Clock Tower in Lal Chowk. There are also a series of hotels here. Some of them are open in winter and this is an absolute budget stay that you can take a look at. So for the first time in 7 days, we are doing something totally opposite to what we are used to. We've taken a private taxi and we are going to Aharbal, a beautiful frozen waterfall. I've been waiting to visit this for at least years now, at least the last 1 year for sure. So fingers crossed, hope the roads are clear because it's been snowing heavily, the degrees in minus. So I hope we reach and I hope I can show you how beautiful Aharbal is. But Aharbal is a very offbeat location and I think reaching using share or local vehicle would be really tough for a day trip. So I would suggest that you take a private taxi which should cost you around 3.5 to 4.5 depending on the season and how many other people you are and the kind of vehicle you take. But that would be a best option to reach. We are currently in Pulwama. We're about to reach, I think we've crossed about half. Some more time and we should hit snow. There you go, first sight of snow. We have now reached Teng Road. Shopian, na? Shopian. So there are two routes. One is the bigger one, the usual route, but at this point it is completely frozen. So chances of slipping is more. So we've taken an alternate route. And we finally reached Aharbal. I think this would be the final icing on the cake of this trip for us. I'm already super impressed and super in love with Aharbal. Beautiful, beautiful village. Like I mentioned, every single house is covered in apple orchards. I mean, this I think should be visited in its full bloom in June, July as well. So this is the parking lot. And now from here we will have to walk for a bit to reach the waterfall. The road is already ice, so gotta be very careful while getting down. It's a neat, well-maintained place, completely untouched as of now. I hope whoever comes here, visits responsibly. There are hotels, but probably in winter they will be shut, so you might not get any place to stay. There are a couple of restaurants which are open. This would be a one-day trip from Srinagar, so visit and go back would be the best option. But if you find a homestay or somewhere you can stay here, definitely take that choice. It would be amazing. First look of the waterfalls right there. It's a good 1 kilometer walk and you start seeing the first sight of the waterfall. And we have now reached. Take a look at that. There's completely frozen ice there on top there, the whole thing. and here's the full fall. I have not been this happy in a very long time. I thought Gulmarg was the best part of the trip, but Aharbal just beats it, and it's just really gorgeous. And this brings us to the end of our trip to Kashmir. Hope it helps you to plan yours as well. Until next time, bye.